want to show you some settings that you can customize in your Canvas account. When you go to your global navigation here, when you click on account and click on settings, you will see over to the right-hand side this edit settings button. When you click on that button, it is going to give you an opportunity to make some choices. So I wanted to show you two that will be really helpful for your students. Here you can choose your personal pronoun. And then down below, you can change your language. So if a student wants their Canvas account to read in Spanish or a language of their choice, they are able to do that from the settings menu. So really great features that I wanted to make sure that you are aware of.